Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant connection error easy and quick. First click here and then type task manager, and now once you're here make sure to close all the applications that is related to Valorant. So just keep scrolling down. If you find any task like Vanguard, this one, right click and task, keep scrolling down. If you find anything related to Valorant, close it. And as you see there is nothing. Now just go to services and then scroll down until you find VGC, and here's it, VGC. Double click on it, click start, wait a few seconds, and then startup type, make sure it's automatic, click apply, OK, and go back. And after that go to system configuration and then go to services, hide all Microsoft services, scroll down and enable VGC, maybe you'll find it like that, and then click apply and OK. And now if that doesn't fix your problem, click here, go to apps and features, now type Vanguard and uninstall it, and then open Valorant again. It will start installing Vanguard, and then your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, see you in the next video.